Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Dur Jeprang! Dur Jeprang!
Director ka Neigrihms Hospital Dr. Nalin Mehta ula Pyndem war Hakhmat kaseng HYC hakabala yu iru baula wan hi dala dia sya phalau ka jaka trekam ban Panmap na kaseng halor ka jingle bakla ka jong u kani ka jingwan kaseng maniakran bu director kalong ban yakran yakabaya day bat karukom tap kam tap jam bat kiwi ki mat kiba kaseng kala thmu maniakran hakani ka jinga kendo handai hakani ka jinga kendo Dr. Mehta ula keno ba kaseng HYC kalau wan ha ketika jaka ajing sumar ban penmi kijing kulmar. Kumta kaseng da kajing bitar kala mi Habar. Bat kala berngam ban khang kherdap ya ketika jaka trekam u director. Handai kaseng hadien bulawan Panmap. Bat ban ya kren syai. Kaseng kala let pai no da kabasuk. Bat ka klem khang talashu ya ketika jaka trekam.
And if I have been given to understand that you were offended. I realized when you got up and left the meeting, you were offended by what I told you. Incidentally, when you had mentioned that you wished to lock my hospital, I just requested you let us not do that because that would be, intimidating and it would affect the people.
That was not the language that you used, no?
I said let us not be aggressive. I used the word aggressive, yes.
Mr. Mehta.
But I take back my words.
No, we came today because you invited us for talk. Otherwise, our ultimatum ends day after tomorrow, right? We could have come and no. See, we have to make it clear. What you did is not acceptable.
I take back.
Okay.
If I have offended
See,
you,
we came and meet in a civilized way. You told us to come 5%. We came 5%. We didn't bring our members.
Absolutely.
Instead of, in fact, we introduced ourselves fine. But then how did you start the discussion? You start the discussion telling us that we are being aggressive. Did we come with an aggressive mindset into your meeting?
I take back my words. I have offended you. I take back my words. And I still hope if we are willing, I will give you that representation. There's just one point. In your representation, you have asked me for a few things.
Yes.
They are beyond my delegated powers. I have conveyed them to the minister.
You have the power.
To do which one of them?
Outsourcing, you are calling for outsourcing.
I have to do through tendering. Anybody who applies, who gets
That is the problem, no? Tendering, if you call, then people from outside will come.
I can't choose. I do not have the power to, I can't say, okay, you conduct the exam. I have to go by tendering process.
Outsourcing of manpower.
Manpower is outsourced locally.
Yeah, that is our demand.
No.
So we could have discussed about that. Nah, you could have told us.
I am so sorry, but manpower is only being locally taken.
That is our demand also.
No, but
then you could have replied to us in such a way. We could have a discussion, but then you didn't even give a chance to discuss.
Can I tell you now? Outsourcing for security and all the manpower, unskilled, highly skilled and skilled, is done. It is only done locally by local agencies. There is no outsourcing.
We understand that. For now, we understand, but we are also made to understand that there is a move to call from outside. That's why we came to discuss.
There is no move to call from outside.
That's why, if you could have given us an assurance that there is nothing like that.
I would like to give you an assurance now. And
but there are other issues also. There are 4, 5, 6 issues also.
We are answering all the 4, 5 issues.
Okay. We could have discussed around the table and have a discussion.
Are you willing to discuss even now, or are you upset with me?
We will fix another date.
Sure.
We'll discuss.
And I want you to go back.
But Mr. Mehta, see, if you are behaving with us like this, we fear that how will you behave with the people? With other people?
You have no idea how we look after the people. I have taken back my word.
This is not the
There has been a misunderstanding. Let us put it behind us.
You have to remove this anti-tribal mindset.
I do not have an anti-tribal. No. Please don't accuse me of anti-tribal mindset.
No.
I am working with the tribals.
No, the way that you spoke with that attitude, you didn't even listen.
No.
You didn't even give us a chance to discuss the issues that have been put forward.
Shall we discuss this again? Shall we wipe the slate clean and start all over again?
We'll fix another date.
Please let me know.
Yeah.
And I just want you to know, one, I am willing to meet you at every little point that you have.
All the point we'll discuss.
And whatever we can do.
That is what the meaning of discussion is, to get to know whether what thing you can do and what you cannot do. Then after that, the things that you cannot do, we'll raise it up with the people that can take a decision. That is the purpose of us coming to meet you.
Fantastic.
See.
And I will take that forward with you in the same way.
Yeah, next
we will put our